Hi there, I am Frasat, the founder and CEO of CyberMaxCode. Today I'm going to announce that CyberMaxCode is going to launch the first product in the market, and this will totally help the multiple businesses to be grow, right? And before moving toward the product, I want to say that if you have not visit our website yet, you can visit our website cybermax.com, on which we describe our company features and our services, right? And without wasting our time, let's move forward to our product, that is ScraperMax. ScraperMax is a Chrome extension that helps businesses to get the top leads from the Google Map, right? And as you can see that this is officially launched on Chrome Web Store. You can easily search it, right? And you can easily add from it. Before testing it out, I again need to add it. So firstly I will remove it, and as you can see that this is a fresh. On the discover portion, you can come to the Chrome Web Store and search Scraper Max and just enter. And the top result, Scraper Max Google Map leads generation generator with the Excel integration is available, right? And you have to be just open it, and you can view. I think we are wrong page. We have to be open it. Yes, this is the main page, and as you can see that this is available. This is its logo. As you can see that there are some screenshots, right? And you can view its interface, how it will totally work with Google Maps, and below there is a description of this product. You can also read. Without wasting our time, let's move forward the direct testing of this. Firstly, I will add it to my Chrome profile. As you can see that it is going to be add, and yes, as you can see that it has added successfully. Now I'm going to move forward to Google Maps. Yes, right. Now, firstly, as a normal tradition style, we have to be search different professions about any country, about any area, and then we have to be noted their phone number, emails, and websites, right? For example, we are going to be search about engineers or doctors in Lahore, right? Any profession you can search, or any query. And when I am going to search it, you can see that I have multiple search results there, right? And they have websites and direction, but I have to be get on my computer in a specific file in proper format, right? One way normally used, we have to be select its title, website individually, and save in Excel file. But now I'm going to be show how our Chrome extension will help the businesses to be used at. Now I'm going to be open ScraperMax. Yes, as you can see that it is totally fitted in the interface of Google Maps and ScraperMax, and there are some steps that helps to be how to use this, right? Now the search results that are displaying there, it is going to be scrap it easily. I am going to click on start scrapping button. Yes, as you can see that I am totally, my hands are here, and it is totally dynamically fetching the data from Google Maps and give me the almost top 50 results from this query, right? Yes, as you can see that our results are here. Noor Hospital and its detail and its website links, and Dr. Tariq. These are all the results that we are searching in the Google Map, like doctors in Lahore, right? Yes, these are total leads. You get all the doctors in Lahore. But one of the best thing, as we know that it is the Google Map leads generator with Excel integration. Yes, it will give you proper CSV file in which all the leads will be stored properly, right? And there is an option export to CSV. When I'm click on that, as you can see that my CSV file is ready. I can open it, right? and I am opening in Excel. As you can see that this file is opened and you have get all the your required leads, almost top 50 leads it will get you, right? Yes, that's all details. You can use it freely and totally free, this Chrome extension. Yes, this Chrome extension is totally free for you and you can use it according to you. It will help the businesses to get top leads about any profession and any clients. You can get the multiple clients from here, right? And thank you so much. If you have any suggestion about it, you can give the reviews and rating about this Chrome extension on this portion. Thank you so much.